Hi, and welcome to the Lima Bravo Zero Foxtrot India YouTube channel. My first video was about this radio, the Leixen UV-998. I did a review, but I didn't show you how to install it in the car. You're in luck. After intro, we'll install it and see how it works. Besides the radio, we're going to need a couple of things for the install. You need the microphone, a mag mount antenna, in this case a diamond mag mount 2 meter 70 centimeter antenna. We're going to need a cigarette lighter, 2 power pole adapter, although I'm not sure it's called cigarette lighter adapter anymore, but we'll call it that for now. We're going to need some Velcro, some RJ58 coax, and a mic hanger with double-sided tape. To mount the radio, we're going to use some Velcro. We're going to mount the Velcro to the radio first. Then we're going to peel off the Velcro on the other side, and then we're going to mount it in the center console. Okay, we did a quick break here because it turned out that the Velcro didn't work. I replaced it with some Tesa industrial strength double-sided tape. So we're just going to peel it off and mount it in the center console again. Okay, had to improvise a little bit more because the dealership did such a good job of polishing the surface here that the tape wouldn't stick. So I washed it and just dried it off and washed it again, dried it off, and got it to stick. Didn't get to film it though, but the process is apply the tape, push down. Now for power and coax. For power, we're going to take the power pole adapter, hook it up, and hook this into the 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter. And we'll just tie the cable over here for starters. Now for the coax. We're just going to take the PL259 plug, route it back here, and this is going to be tight because we should have done this before we mounted the radio. But there's barely enough room to put this in here. Coax is mounted. We'll put the radio in its place, route the coax the same way, and we're good to go. Okay, we're going to route the coax to the back seat first. And we're just going to put it in between the center console and the seat here. Just like this. And then we're going to go back and finish in the back seat. Step is routing the coax to the trunk. Going to lift up the mat here and put the coax underneath the mat. Then I'm going to fold the back seat forward and route the coax between the back seat and the wall. Fold the back seat back and we're ready to go to the trunk. Okay, we got the coax to the trunk. We're going to leave it here for a little bit. Just leave it like this. And we're going to take the mag mount antenna and mount it on the roof. Okay, we're going to take the mag mount antenna and mount it on the car. And since it's mid-April, we got to remove some snow first. We're gonna clunk the mag mount to the car. We're gonna route the coax from the antenna in between everything back here. And just pull the coax as tight as we can, like this. Coax is gonna go in, just set it tight between the seal here on the door. Then we're going to take both ends of the coax, screw them together. Close the trunk, and we close the lid. The antenna is in place. Let's move inside the car and test everything. There is actually 2 more things we got to do before we're finished. We're going to mount the mic. You got a mic holder here, also with some Tesa double-sided tape. I'm going to put this up here for the mic holder. Push it in good. And I might have to redo this a little bit later because everything's so polished in a new used car. I'm gonna take the mic, plug the mic into the radio, hang the mic. Okay, final step. Start the car, and we'll see if the radio works. Turn the ventilation off so it's not so loud. Take the radio and see if I can key up the local repeater. LB0 Fox India. Åpne repeateren litt. LB0 Fox India. Åpne repeateren litt. And that probably doesn't work because the repeater is down. So that concludes my test and my install. Test wasn't too good, but at least we got to see that there's power on the radio. And I'll do another test when the repeater is up and running again. Please do like, comment, and subscribe. And please tell me if there's anything you'd like to see me make a video about. 73 once again.